Hi guys, welcome back. It's September and it's me and Bobo back for another one.
Yes, sir. So we have some 10th graders here. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Abbas Bastrai.
I'm Jayant Kumar.
I'm Alina Farhan.
I'm Haika Hasnan.
So we've got these 10th graders and we're SYs, thankfully in gowns this time. So Abbas, when did you join KGS?
Grade 3, 2017.
I'm a new admission. I just joined.
Grade 7.
I joined in 3rd grade.
So these guys have had a good experience of KGS apart from Jay. So Jay, how was your first impression of KGS?
Honestly, it was really good. I enjoyed like all the extracurriculars that are offered to us besides academics. So like it's good for like a break from studies, like क्या बोलते हैं, sports and stuff. Because we have rowing. I'm already rowing from CS. I went to Vienna. So rowing, basketball, football, all that. Besides that, we have extracurriculars, all the societies as well.
And how are the studies? What subjects have you chosen?
I have taken basically my parents, they really want me to go into medicine. I do not want to go into medicine, so they just said take all sciences and maths. My sister did that. She said it made her miserable, so I just read bio, physics, ad maths, and global perspectives because I hate chemistry.
So it's like, honestly, I understand his point of view. He's chosen sciences and one subject he likes. Sciences will always open your fields. Abbas also, I know that he takes sciences and ad maths, so he's enjoying. You will be miserable in O levels, but it's worth in the end because you have a bigger pool to choose from. Your uni apps right now, we're understanding that most of our uni apps require maths, sometimes physics, and the weightage of sciences is high. Do you guys have any sciences?
Yeah, I take all sciences too.
All sciences?
No.
Good, but it's fine.
The thing is, there are also some people that take sciences in O levels and then completely switch in A level.
Exactly. And the best part about O levels is that you can switch as soon as you're done. And it has a lot of credits. So, like, I feel like in college section, it's a bit more of it's a transition from being in a traditional school campus. Now you're in more of a college section campus. We've got Sunil Bhai's canteen, which I believe is
the best
better.
part.
It's the best part.
It's the best part, right? So yeah, and I've enjoyed. We didn't get a good 10th grade experience, but apparently the 10th and 11th grade experience is the best.
The thing is, for us as well, like our 10th grade started with online school.
Online school. So
I mean, ours did as well.
It was
these guys are referring to the five days of
2 weeks, please. 2 weeks. 2 days.
and these guys are miserable. We, on the other hand, had to suffer
For months.
for a while, and we really enjoy being back at the campus, interacting with everyone. As we can see, there's people. I don't know why they play football in break, and yeah. So, what do you guys? You guys have any things that you guys want to talk about?
Have you had any fun experiences? How was orientation like?
Oh wait, yes. Every second in school is a fun experience. You know how?
How?
Because waking up and coming to school is the best thing. You know, I would rather come to school than be in bed on a Saturday.
Oh, seriously?
Exactly. I love school.
She said start Saturday school.
I love school. School is the best thing ever.
I have a very strong opinion on the orientation. I have a very strong opinion.
Orientation was quite fun. Basically, what these guys had to do was, it was a memorization game. It was quite fun. Who won in the end?
They robbed Napier. They asked Packard and students. They robbed Napier.
There was one guy in Pappers and he knew like 10 people, all 10 of us were together and he knew us like by hand. And it was me in the end and he had to guess something about me and I said yeah. And it was true, so I felt bad. But everyone was like, just say you lied. So
But yeah, it was a really fun experience for these guys. It was basically an icebreaker. How do you guys enjoy the basketball court? Has anyone played on it?
Been there on it.
I've had more fun playing in netball though. But yeah, basketball's been fun.
The basketball court is so much better than the middle section court. I mean, it's a way better thing than whatever middle section.
Sports-wise, what's the transition like from middle section to college section, like facilities-wise and all that?
Honestly, it's like, I mean, it's kind of the same because they both focused on our sports. But like here, you get like more time to play. Like first we did like summer camp and then we came here too. Except it's been one period of sports since like 9th or 8th grade. So that's the same thing.
But I feel like, what do you call it? We have a lot more facilities open to us. And like, we have the cricket nets over there, for example, but that hasn't really been renovated. And the pool is also a nice facility that's open to us. And yeah.
Oh yeah, we have the pool here. We didn't have the pool.
And the gym.
Yeah, because for me, like, it's my first time at KGS, so I'm coming from another school.
Which
and
school?
CAS. So the way it worked at CS was for sports and all, like we would pick from like different modules and we would do that once a week. So it was the for sports we only things we have were rowing, tennis, football. That's it. We didn't have basketball, cricket, any of the other stuff.
So if you were, the thing about KGS is, if you go to Miss Amna's office right now, Solander's office, you could actually start a sport.
Yeah.
We've started this new combat sports society, and if you want to start a sport at KGS, which is not here, what would be your sport which you would want to start at KGS?
I think you should start paddle
Yeah.
because it's a fun pastime.
Paddle on the weekends. Me and him are paddle partners at the Sinclair Paddle Ladder, so it's quite a fun experience.
Me and Haiko are badminton partners.
Badminton.
Yes!
But we have badminton. What's a sport you would want to start at KGS?
Table tennis.
I'd uplift rowing. I think
table tennis.
no, I think rowers are really underrated. I'd uplift rowing.
up these, no.
I'd promote rowing more.
Okay, starting with Abbas and then from here. What's the best experience you had in middle section and what's the best experience you had in college section?
Section. I feel in middle section it was when we had cricket in grade 9. It was just a very like team type experience, and it was very like it was like very friend orientated, and we were just very comfortable. And up till now, my best experience was when we had the Spanish week and we performed in break. That was really fun.
Actually, a drummer, and so what happened was he performed on the Independence Day. That was a good performance.
He didn't even know what to do, but he did really well.
He did really well, and then in the Spanish week he also. So we were actually sitting in a council meeting and we could hear Abbas playing on the drums. So that was one good experience. Jay, what was your good experience in CS and what's a good experience here?
Oh, with CS, the thing I most enjoyed there. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm going back to rowing. I do it a lot. Yeah. But the thing I really enjoy with rowing is like the team aspect of it. Because no matter where you are, CS, AGS, even CDET, or CDEX, anywhere, you get attached to your team. It's like you all bond because we had been training together for months on, and it's not just with CS, like with Vienna. It was the CS, Bayview, FEC, everything is together. Yeah, because so when we went to Vienna, it wasn't like we're going like separately as our schools. We all went together as one team.
Right.
And then here, okay, I don't do MUN, but when KGS MUN happened, they just let me in. I don't know why. I just showed up. I went. I just chilled out. Actually, it was really nice experience because it was without the stress because I wasn't competing.
But you wanted to see how it was.
I am looking into MUN because my sister, she's abroad right now in the US for college, and she also did MUN. She said it was really good for college applications. She said it'd be really beneficial for me if I go for it.
The thing is, you shouldn't look at it in the college aspect.
Korean's point of view, please.
It's a really fun thing to do in itself as well. Also, like public speaking is such a good skill that everyone should have. So that's where it's really beneficial.
It's a skill builder, honestly. I believe that everyone for the college app, it's not that important. It's actually what your speaking skill that you build, which get you other places before your college app. So that's one thing. And what was your two experiences?
Okay, so in middle section, particularly grade 9, we went to Islamabad, and I feel like everyone who went to Islamabad for netball has this one thing. It has like a soft corner for netball, honestly, because we got stuck in Islamabad for like a week, and that has to be the best week of my life. Like honestly.
She's saying it's the best week, and I think Hina, did you go for netball? No, Hina didn't go. So we had Inayat Paul, who's in our council, who's a house captain of Streeton. She also went, and she came back miserable. She's like, I don't want to do this again.
The best experience, really? Yeah, exactly. They were stressed out. They were crying while we were laughing. And it was like the best experience because I skipped school for like a week. What could be better than that? Actually, what could be worse than that? Sorry. I love school. Please, go.
Now, what is your
No, wait, please. I need to complete mine. Yes.
Go on.
My best thing, the best thing that happened to me in CS was meeting JJ. Please. JJ.
Is she your best friend?
Yes, he's my best friend.
Cancel Alina.
Okay.
My best experience was when I was in 8th grade. I was the director for like 2 plays in the drama festival that we had, and it was like the best thing. Like it was really stressful, but I had so much fun with like the people that were acting and all, and then like getting to be with the producer, and also like just like it was during ISR season, so I got to row with people.
So she did rowing and she did the drama.
Have you seen the college section plays?
The prime section like aspect of being a student, doing a lot of things. That's what we want to see people do in college section. What we do is We do student leadership. I run on the side. Bobo plays basketball on the side. Bobo does reviews on the side. Please check him out. So what we want is a balance. And what these students have showed us is a balance obviously exists. Not only academics, but also the extracurriculars. First come academics. Thank you for listening to these guys. What do you guys hope to see the podcast come back again?
Yes.
And do you guys want more reels or do you guys want full videos?
I think both.
I think we want edits, bro. I want edits of a bus ride sitting like this. Thank you so much for coming. Me and Bobo signing out for another one. Thank you.
That was great, guys.
Thank you guys.